To install your new WeatherTech golf cart mat, you will need car wash supplies and a clean towel. Start by making sure your golf cart key is in the off position and your brake pedal is in the park position. Next, use the car wash supplies and towel to clean the footwell of your golf cart. Your WeatherTech golf cart mat has two openings. The opening in the center of the mat is for the acceleration pedal and will completely surround it. The opening to the left is for the brake pedal. Begin installing the mat by placing it over the acceleration pedal and pulling it back toward the edge of the seat. Next, bend the front portion of the passenger side of the mat under the existing cup holders and front storage area, making sure the mat is laying completely flat on the front surface of your cart. Then, lay the mat under and around the brake pedal, bending it where necessary. Make sure that both the brake and the acceleration pedal are surrounded by the mat, and that no portion of the mat lays on top of the brake pedal. Make sure the mat lays completely flat on both the floor and front surface of your cart. If your golf cart has a horn installed to the left of the brake pedal, the horn will be fully functional with the mat in place. You can also use the horn guide located on the underside of the mat to further customize your mat to fit your golf cart horn. Please note, horn placements vary. Please use only as a guide. To do this, lay your golf cart mat face down on a scratch-resistant surface and identify the indented circle on the back of the mat. Carefully use a utility knife to cut along the edge of the circle, creating a hole for your golf cart's horn. Congratulations! Your WeatherTech golf cart mat is now installed.